Hi guys, it's Kyra. Today I'm going to be showing you a small sticker haul I got from the recent Happy Planner sticker sale. Actually, it wasn't a sticker sale, it was just a regular sale, but I got about, 5 sticker books, so if you'd like to see what I got, keep on watching. So the first one that I got, it's Glam Girl. This one came out in 2019, so it's a couple years old, but I've never really wanted to get this one at full price, but it does have some really cute stickers in here. I just love the color scheme in here more than anything. And I'll just go through these kind of quick so you guys can get an idea of what each book had. I really think that every sticker book I got was about $6 or $7, and then I had a $20 reward as well, so I didn't spend too much, and I got a little stack of sticker books. These are really cute. I love these little vanity chairs. These shoes are cute. I'm not sure when I'll ever use them, but maybe they would be good with a Disney princess spread, wouldn't they? Huh. Ideas. Cute little icons, and I love these little diamond, they're boxes. They've got little lines in them. And this is a mini sticker book too, that's why everything is a little bit smaller. I don't use stickers directly in boxes anyways most of the time, so I don't mind when they're different sized. I just like the stickers themselves. I really like the little diamond stickers. Get it done AM PM. Kind of cute style, cute little stickers, and definitely worth $6. Actually a little bit less because of that coupon. I got the Go Offline sticker book. This one, again, I wouldn't pay full price for it, but it has some good quotes in the back, like stay present, small steps lead to big results, look how you have wonderfully grown. I think those are really cute. I won't probably use some of the stickers in here unless I can find a different meaning for them, but I like the relaxed ones, busy doing nothing. And these are habit trackers, which I use a lot, so those were kind of a good one to get. And then there's a bunch of don't use the internet, don't use your phone kind of stickers in here. Cute little quotes. I'll probably use some of those. Go offline today. I'll probably use those eventually. I don't know when or how I'll use them, but if I do, I'm sure you guys will see it if you are subscribed to my channel. Digital Detox Day. Mute. I think that these stickers are really good. Oh, these are cute. The little headbands with little... They've got eyelashes on them. Some say chill out, do not disturb, good night, relax. Those will be useful. Unplug. Gone offline. Social media free day. And then they've just got some good quotes up here. And then these are those little rollers for your face. I haven't done that. I probably should try it. I should at least try it. It might be really relaxing, really nice. And then some good quotes up front. Just kind of good colors, a little bit like splattered paint, kind of messy. I think it's pretty. So that's a decent sticker book. And then these are easy. I got the summer sticker book. I like to get these when they're on sale because there's a bunch of cute little graphics in here. It's summertime, family night, and good boxes, and just general, I can make a whole spread out of this in the summertime when I don't know what else to do. I like that Feeling Tropical one. That's cool. But I really like these. I just can't ever get myself to pay full price, so when they go on clearance or on sale, I grab them. They're so cute. I love these little buses with the little luggage on top. Awesome. And I swim with my mom and my brother's wife and my little nephew a couple times a week, so those stickers are going to be useful anyways. Good color scheme, lots of adorable things in here. Some cute letters. And then these are fun. Sandy Toes, Vitamin C, Makes Waves, Summer Vibes. Visit the library, go to the movies, fly a kite. Have a backyard barbecue, collect seashells, make root beer floats. These are things we should make a list of bucket list. That's what these are. They're like bucket list stickers for the summer. Go to the fair, go down a water slide. I think that's cool. And then you've got some little flag boxes. I love these. These are so cute. Little graphics. And then some cute boxes with the graphics in them. Little ice cream sandwich. Anyways, these are just kind of generic summer stickers, but once in a while I think they're really fun and awesome to use. Then I got the productivity sticker book. Again, this is kind of a basic sticker book. It's just got like appointment boxes, regular planning boxes, but I love all of these really long boxes for sidebars. And they're kind of like, they've got like a nuance or a gradient from like a light green to dark or red to purple. And then there's quite a few in here. And then habit trackers. So these are kind of, again, like these are basic, but useful. And look at all that silver. I know people complain about foil a lot, but I like it visually in person, but I do understand that it is hard to take pictures of. But in person, I think it's fun. And these would be good for like workouts. A whole bunch of these boxes. I think those are cute that they're round cornered. And then these in the middle are flags. Yeah, they're like little page flags you can't see. Big boxes. Is there 3 pages of those? Oh wow, yeah, those are cool. Anyways. Oh, this is nice. Get fit. Weigh-in, goal, calories, steps, and this is whole week. Exercise, vitamins, water. That's awesome. And these are just little time stamp stickers. Got a bunch of those and some more boxes with time in it. And yeah, that's pretty much the productivity book. Basic, but quite useful. And lastly, I got the winter book. I know winter just passed, at least for me here in Arizona. It's gone forever, hopefully, till next year. And I have this sticker book already. I used a bunch I guess it was February and March, or January and February. I really like this sticker book. It's got really cute little graphics in it, and I like the colors, and I'm just excited that I'll have it in advance because I didn't get it till I want to say January or February this year, and I'm excited to actually be able to use it going into winter next year. And it's got kind of the same like little bucket list, snuggle weather, listen to Christmas music, build a snowman, make a gingerbread house. I really like those stickers. Cute little circles, poinsettias, boxes. Anyways, it's just a really cute sticker book, so I'm excited to have that in my collection for when winter comes and I can use them all over again. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a small haul, but it was kind of fun. I'm excited to get them in my sticker collection. I've already got them labeled at the top here, as you can see. It's ready to go in my collection, and I also have the backs of them taped so that they don't stick on each other. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to see my future videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!